Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your language on your Gocardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on Gocardless, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in gocardless.com and make a search. The official page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Tap on three lines at the top left corner of the page and tap on Login. Log into your account and the home page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right side of the page. From the displayed options, tap on User Settings. Scroll down and tap on Current Language. From the pop-up, tap on the language that you prefer and click on Save Changes. This is how you can change language on Gocardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.